version of that song, and then the just the two-stage version, which is
Howdy, folks. I'm Billy Bob. That's 3 B's, 2 L's, and a Y. It's real nice y'all can drop in on me today. Things gets kinda quiet here at Smitty's Super Service Station sometimes. What with the gas situation the way it is and all, we've had to stop selling gasoline altogether. Once it got past 25 cents a gallon, I didn't have no more friends what could afford it nohow. But things will be alright soon, because, as you can see, I'm making up a newfangled formula down here on the floor. Yeah, it's made of lots of good stuff, and it's in this little container, and it gets all boiled up and everything. And it comes out this long tube all the way down into this barrel, and I call it gasohol. Yeah, we can use it in our car, or drink it, and have such a wonderful day! Hey there, Looney Bird. Folks, you meet my friend here. This here's the Looney Bird. I can't afford a watchdog, so Looney Bird here will get the watch over my secret formula. How much gasohol we got so far, Looney Bird? Just a minute, baby, I'll check and see. He's probably gonna measure real accurate, like exactly how much gasohol we got. Oh dear.
I guess you better put on some more corn squeezins, huh, Billy Bob?
Yeah, I guess I better. I just hope the Looney Bird don't become some kind of gasaholic. Hey, Looney Bird, it's time for your favorite part of the show.
You mean it's time to go already?
No, I mean it's time to get down and get funky, sort of. Pizza, roast beef sandwich and pizza, roast beef sandwich and pizza. $4 on the chicken, calories and kids eating roast beef sandwich and pizza. Jump to the music of the jukebox. Anybody got another dime? Jump to the music of the jukebox, 'cause we're having such a wonderful time. Just eating roast beef sandwich and pizza, roast beef sandwich and pizza. It's really pizza. So long, everybody. See you next time.
Bye, Billy Bob.
5 years later.